Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download, install, and pair via Bluetooth with the Knox Tester box. So, to successfully install this specific application, you will first need to navigate your way directly over here to the official Play Store and look for the Play Store app to begin the installation process. Once you're in the Play Store, we're going to search here for Knox Tester box. You are looking for the Knox Tester box, right? Please go ahead and download the application now. Once the app is downloaded. Now, we are going to go ahead and open the application, and it will ask you to grant some necessary system permissions. On this specific screen, you will choose the exact location where you want to save your generated Knox Tester reports for future access. So, we will choose the location right here. As you can see, it is already set to the default folder. For your Knox Tester reports, you can simply decide to use this existing folder, or if you would prefer, you can easily choose another folder that you might prefer, such as your personal documents folder or any other directory on your computer. Just allow it. And it's already installed. So guys, in order to pair this via Bluetooth, we're going to need to turn on the device. So we're going to open it up. First, carefully grab the device, and then we will definitely need to use the power cable located right here to get everything started. Which comes with it, right? Which is the HY001 power supply cable right here. Okay. Along with the premium HYN016 cable. So everyone, at this stage, we're going to connect the cables to the Knox Tester box. So we're going to take the Knox Tester box here, the Tetra cable, right? Let's connect it to this black connector here, okay? And now we're going to utilize the power tip here, which serves as the essential power supply unit for this device. We're going to need to use, you can use a professional bench power supply, or you can also simply use the vehicle's own battery directly to provide 12 or 24 volts for your testing needs. We're going to connect here, positive. Both the positive and negative terminals are already set to exactly 24 volts. Right here for us is the specific cable tip, so let's carefully connect it here to the main power supply. Now that the device is successfully powered on, you can see that the LEDs have lit up, which clearly indicates that it is already receiving power. Okay, so now we are going to perform the Bluetooth pairing process together. To do the Bluetooth pairing, guys, we are going to go right in here to the settings menu, okay? Let's open up the Bluetooth settings and begin the connection process right here. Choose here which device we're going to pair. In this case, here we have the specific device with its unique serial. 195. We're going to look for it here by the serial number. And here we found it, right? 195. It will ask for a password. The default password is 1234. And let's pair it. Now that the pairing process is finished, you can see that the device is already successfully paired. The next step is to simply click the connect button to establish a connection with your device. At this point, the system will automatically prompt you to grant location permission. You have the option to allow this access only while using the app, or perhaps just this once. The final decision is entirely up to you. In this specific instance, I have chosen to allow it here to complete the setup. Done. Connection started. It successfully identified the device's unique serial number and also detected the operating voltage. which is powering the device here, which is 24 volts. Alright everyone, as soon as the device was paired, it updated its visual color pattern right here. It started blinking only green, which clearly demonstrates that the connection with the app was successfully and fully completed. So, guys, in this video, I showed how to do the Bluetooth pairing. It's really simple. Now, in the next videos, I'll show how to test the sensors and so on. So please follow our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming new videos.